Hello, this is Nancy. We're going to be looking at the stories behind the news headlines today. From the Mercury News Online, Anna Nicole Smith hires celebrity death consultant for autopsy. That brings back memories. At one time, I wanted to be a celebrity death consultant. It came about when a celebrity death consultant came to our high school for career day. He made it sound so glamorous and romantic. But alas, I ended up being an actress and internet reporter. But dreams die hard. This story may be too painful. Let me go on. Widow rents rotary phone for 42 years. A widow rented a rotary dial telephone for 42 years, paying what her family calculates as more than $14,000 for a now outdated phone. Esther Strojan, 82, of Canton, Ohio, first leased two black rotary phones, the kind whose round dial is moved manually with your finger, in case you don't know, in the 1960s. Until 2 months ago, Strojan was still paying AT&T to use the phones. Strojan's granddaughters, Melissa and Barb, ended the arrangement when they discovered the bills. "I'm outraged," Barb said. "It made me so mad. It's ridiculous. If my own grandmother was doing it, how many other people are?" AT&T said customers were given the choice to opt out of renting in 1985. The number of customers leasing phones dropped from 40 million to about 750,000 today. Barb says she believes the majority of people leasing are elderly and may not realize they are paying thousands of dollars for a phone. AT&T said bills are clearly marked and customers can quit their lease anytime by returning their phones. Esther says she's not a big fan of the new push-button phones. "I'd like to have my rotary back," she said. "I like that better." Now, there are many sides to this story. There's this side, this side, this side, this side. Barb, dear, your grandmother was leasing this rotary phone for 42 years, and you just noticed it 2 months ago? You never said, "Hey, Grandma, what's with this rotary telephone?" And Barb, in 1985, when your grandmother had the opportunity to stop renting and get one of those newfangled push-button phones, she was only 61 years old, hardly senile. She probably knew what she was doing. She liked her damn rotary phone. And AT&T, what's this about the bills were clearly marked? No damn phone bill is clearly marked. You have to have a PhD in phonology in order to understand those things. Flash, an update to the story just in. Esther has accepted 2 rotary dial phones from an anonymous donor and is happily using them now. That's wonderful. Now let's see if there's any other news. Hello, this is Nancy.
Hello, Nancy. Oh, I can't believe I've got Nancy the news lady on the phone. This is Esther Strojan.
Oh, hi, Esther. How are you doing?
Oh, I'm doing fine now that I got my rotary phones back. You know, those are the kind that you turn that round dial with your finger.
Yes, I know. Well, I'm glad to hear you're doing well.
Well, yeah, well, my Budinsky granddaughters made me use those stupid newfangled push-button phones, but a sweet person has given me 2 rotary phones, so I'm happy as a clam now.
Well, I'm glad to hear that, Esther.
Well, thanks, Nancy. Talk to you later. Bye.
Bye. I'm Nancy, and that was the news.